Hello guys, so I'm inside my car now and I'm connecting to you. See, my car is basically 1.2 Baleno 1.2 Alpha. It is completed almost 5 years. Within 8 to 9 days, next it will complete full 5 years. 17 January, almost 5 years old car. I've maintained it very well. And see, my Odo is giving a average of 18.9 kilometers. And my Odo is 45,494. It has done almost 45,000 and half thousand kilometers. 45,045 half thousand kilometers. 45 and a half thousand kilometers. And a very well maintained car. I've maintained it well. So it has Apple CarPlay, everything, and Apple CarPlay, Google Play, everything. It has navigation and everything. See, it has a very well reverse parking camera also. See the quality of reverse parking camera. So this is a Baleno 1.2 Alpha, which I bought in 2017. I got it after 6 months of waiting. Basically मैंने इसको बुक किया था. I booked it in 2016 June or July. I got it in January 2017. तो 2017 मॉडल. ये मुझे पड़ी थी almost close to 9 lakhs at that time. It was Baleno 1.2 Alpha. This is all bells and whistles. It's a top end petrol top end model है. I think it had projector headlamps and daytime running LEDs, then reverse parking camera I showed you. It has a lot of features and alloy wheels, 16-inch alloy wheels. This is a top end of petrol with all bells and whistles at that time. So this is my car basically, and while again going to the video, अगर आप चलते रहेंगे आगे तो आप थोड़ा फीचर्स देखेंगे. मैं थोड़ा सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स भी डालूंगा. मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ कहीं, तो from there that parking also I'll just give you some cinematic shots. So guys, I was telling you about my car Baleno. Right now daytime running LEDs are running, and this is my car Baleno. This is on right now, and I'll tell you about this car. I bought this car in 2017, as I told you. This is a very fine car. This runs on highway at 100 to 120 very effortlessly. This is a very fine car, and I bought it in 2017. I got it in 2017 January. This is a 2017 model. I booked it 6 months back in 2016 June or July. 6 months waiting period था. 6 month waiting period मिली है. And this is completing almost 5 years now. On 17 it will complete 5 years. This is almost 7-8 days from now. Almost 5 years हो ही है. Odometer पे भी 45,000 something kilometers है. And this is very fine car I have. This is the daytime running LEDs. जल रही हैं. This is my car from outside. Very fine car. This is an awesome car I have. 5 years just complete कर लिया, and my target is कि इसको 1 लाख किलोमीटर तो चलाया जाए basically before buying a new car or exchanging it for somebody or something else. So this is my car shots from outside, and I'll be driving it now. I'll go outside and inside. So this is my car for now, and I have a collage of pics that I'll add to this video, and finally with music with collage of pics you can enjoy the whole video of my cars with myself. Okay, then this is about my car. It's a very fine car, Baleno top end, 1.2 Alpha petrol top end, and this has done almost 45,000 in last 5 years, almost 40,000 plus. Okay, then see you. And this is all the bells and whistles. Daytime running LEDs, projector headlamps so strong that you can, when you go on the highway, even if the signboards that are hanged on the pole, that are hanged on the pole very upwards, that also you can see very clearly on the highways. And projector headlamps, LED running time LEDs, then reverse parking camera, and 16-inch alloy wheels. You can see this 16-inch alloy wheels. Okay, then this is my car for today, and just see you. After this you can enjoy the collage of pics of our car with ourselves. Okay, this is about my car. A tribute to my car, 5-year-old Baleno that has done 45,000 kilometers till now. 1.2 Alpha petrol with 1.2 1200cc engine, 1.2 liter engine that produces 34 bhp, and effortless to drive on highways. 100 to 120 is very easy. Bye, see you, take care.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love